What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be talking about the ECFX Platinum EA, which is a trading bot or an automated Forex trading bot that I've created and been using for the past 3 years. This specific account has been running for about a year and a half now, and we're up 55.42% profits right here in total, as you can see here. ECFX EA Platinum is 100% passive, it's 100% automated. You don't have to do anything but just link your trading account to the ECFX Platinum bot, and the ECFX Platinum bot will trade for you on your behalf. It will open trades, it will close trades in profit, and these are the results that you're going to get right here. So if you were connected to ECFX Platinum bot, you would also be up 55.42% profits. Now, in this specific account, this is a public account that I'm using to show everyone the live trades. Anyone can access this account. You can watch the live trades right from this myfxbook anytime you want. It does get updated in real time and show you the live trades as well. We have several accounts. We have some that are over 6 figures, with several different investors, friends of mine that we're invested in together, and we're connected to ECFX Platinum. And the reason why I'm so excited about it is because you see here that 55.42% profits. So just think, if the account is, let's say, $100,000, if you made a 55% profit on your account, that means, and you guessed it, that you'd be up $55,000, guys. So that's a pretty big deal when it comes to passive income, right? Because remember, with this, you don't have to do anything. You simply just connect your account. You just link your account to ECFX Platinum bot, and that's it, guys. That's all you do. Everything else is automated. That means that you can be on vacation, you can be at work, you can be anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. This thing is going to keep trading for you over and over again, constantly, 24/7. So that's the beauty of ECFX. And again, guys, 55.42% profit. So let me just scroll down here so you guys can see. Right now we are in a bunch of trades. It tells you the live trades here. So you can see we are in a drawdown. It's a very small drawdown relative to the account size, but it does show you the live trades right there. So it's pretty cool because you can track it, especially if you're following the ECFX EA Platinum, and let's say you want to see what's going on, you have certain trades, you want to make sure that you have the same trades, you can always check right here in myfxbook. So very cool. Right here you can see that these are the months, the profits that we have made. It goes back to 2021 on this specific account. We have been using ECFX bot for over 3 years now, since 2020, but we have other accounts that we have been using, and we always constantly update it, and we make changes and we adapt with the new markets and stuff like that. So that's the reason why we started a new account, and this is the latest and greatest update right here. It's the ECFX Platinum bot. So it's the latest update that we have been running, and we've been running this since August of 2021. We have made some little changes here and there. As you can see, we took a loss here in November of 2021 of -7%, which is not a really big deal. It's not big, but it was a loss, and it was something that we wanted to avoid, so we made an update to fix that. And in 2022 we started off really great. We even had a really tremendous month here in March. April we had a small loss again, a -6% loss in April, and we did make an adjustment again for that as well. And over here we had another little small loss, -4%. But this was a flash crash that happened on all GBPs, and the best part about it is that ECFX survived the flash crash and it still made it out. Even though it made it with a small loss that month, it still survived and it profited overall in total. But we did make an adjustment for this as well, so we constantly make adjustments and we update it. As you can see here, guys, these are the months that I mentioned before. In November of 2021 we had these losses, and then after the adjustment you see that it just continued to rise and rise and rise, and we had another small loss here again in April, and then we made the adjustment and we continue to keep going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And in total, again, guys, 55.42% profits. If you had a $100,000 account, that means you would be up $55,000 right now in ECFX. Okay, so one of the things that I wanted to really show you guys was this is an actual S&P 500 historical annual returns by profit. Every single year is what the S&P 500 has been making on a year-to-year basis. So basically, if you are invested in any traditional investment, such as a 401k, a 403b, a Roth IRAs, if you are buying ETFs or index funds or even stocks that track the S&P 500, which is what every one of these different funds are based off of. These are going to be your actual returns year over year. So the years are down here. As you can see in 2020 right now, currently we are down negative 17.45% in the S&P 500, or basically in any traditional investment that you're invested in that tracks the S&P 500. And in reality, we're really down probably a little bit more than this. Over here, I'm going to pull up a chart of the S&P 500 now. As you can see, this is the S&P 500. This red dotted line is the beginning of January 2022. So if I take a ruler and I measure from the top all the way to the bottom, we see that our lowest point was negative 27, almost negative 28% down. We did ended up coming up a little bit higher, and right now, as you can see here, a negative 18.61% down versus the negative 17.45% that you're seeing on that chart. And today is actually December 10th, 2022. So what I'm thinking is probably this chart maybe was posted maybe about a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure. But either way, it's pretty close, right? Negative 17.45%. And the main thing that I really wanted to show you guys was, by looking at this chart, this is 2022, negative 17.45%. Even though we know we're a little bit lower, we're just going to use this number for purposes of just showing you guys an example here. So negative 17.45% in 2022. That means all of your 401ks, all of your 403bs, again, all of your stock portfolios, anything that tracks the S&P 500, which is pretty much everything, is down about negative 17.45% or more right now. Okay, and in 2021 we were up 26.89%. 2020, 16.26%. You know, we had some pretty good years here these past 3 years. But I just want to show you guys something here. So I'm going to pull up a calculator real quick. Let's just take the last 5 years, okay, from 2018 to 2022, 5 years, and let's just see what you would have made, let's say, if you would have invested into a traditional investment tracking the S&P. So in 2018, we made negative 6.24%. The next year, we made 28.88%. The year after that, 16.26%. The year after that, we made 26.89%. This year, we're down negative 17.45%. So you see here that the grand total is 48.34% in profits, though. So that's something good. So we're up 48.34% profits in the past 5 years. Okay, so since 2018, if you invested, let's say, $10,000, again in a traditional investment that tracks the S&P 500, you would be up $4,834, right? Because that's your profit. But going back to ECFX Platinum, let's say if I put $10,000 in ECFX Platinum, this is only a year and 5 months, I would have been up 55% profits. That means I would have had $5,542 in profits just in a little bit over a year. So now we're talking about the ECFX Platinum in a little over a year versus the S&P 500 for 5 years. You literally would have outperformed the market for 5 years just in a year and a half of investing with the ECFX Platinum bot. That's pretty amazing, guys. Now just think, if you had a larger account, if you had a $100,000 account, if you had more capital. Of course, not everybody has access to this type of capital, but this is a pretty big deal. And I'm not saying to invest all of your money and just ditch your 401k or your retirement and put all your money in ECFX Platinum, but certainly it's a good tool that you can use to add to your portfolio, because that's what your portfolio is. It's not just one investment. You want to have several different investments and you want to diversify. So that's what I really wanted to show you guys, was that the ECFX Platinum has been running excellent for the past year and 5 months. The problem is that a lot of people, especially, watching social media or whatever, you guys, sometimes you see these bots that are making like 20, 30, 40, 50% a month, and you're wowed by that. And you look at that and you say, wow, I want to put my money in this thing. And a lot of times they don't have a very long track record. A lot of times they maybe have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months of a track record. And I've seen it time and time again, because I've been in this space already, in the EA or bot trading or automated trading space, for over 3 years now. And I have over a decade of experience in trading. So I do a lot of analysis. I've done trading. So I know what's possible and what's really not. So my main purpose of me making this bot was to make a sustainable bot. And a lot of times people won't get really attracted to it because it has lower returns, as you see here. And they're more attracted to these high numbers here, 20%. But the thing is that you guys aren't looking at is that this thing is lasting for years. And again, we've been trading for over 3 years and we just constantly updated. And again, this is the latest and greatest update that we've made. That's the reason why we started this specific account running this update in August of 2021. But we have been updating it every single time, and we made it safer, and we made it so that we don't even see these losses anymore. It's going to be great to see, in 2023 how it's going to perform. So with that being said, I just wanted to share with you guys ECFX Platinum Bot. It's an amazing tool that you can add to your portfolios. I'm going to be doing a special Christmas sale probably in the next week. I'm going to be doing it, and I want to make this very affordable for everyone. It's so simple to use that anyone can use this. Okay guys, so the main purpose here is to help people to generate income. Understand that we've been in a really bad market space for the past 3 years. Since 2020, we've had COVID, we've had the pandemic, we've had COVID lockdowns, businesses going under. The Fed started printing massive money, which is causing really high inflation. Everything is going up. Gas prices are going up. The stock market is down. Everyone's portfolios are down. The markets are just going crazy. And we've been in terrible market conditions these past couple years. And a lot of traders have even given up trading. But the ECFX Platinum Bot just keeps on performing, and we keep updating it. And it's surviving and making profits during these hard times. So just think, when the market gets better, how much better this bot is going to be compared to what it's even doing now. So that's what I really wanted to do, and that was my main goal with ECFX Platinum Bot, was to make an automated trading bot that will trade even in the worst possible market conditions. And that's exactly what ECFX is doing, guys. So I want to make this accessible for everyone. One thing that I want to note is that we have increased our minimum to $3,000, and that's going to be a really big deal, and it's going to be the main thing that's going to keep you safe, guys, because in a market like this that we're in, with everything that's been going on with the wars and all that stuff, and this is something that you need to take serious if you want to have it sustainable over the long term. So $3,000 minimum is going to be the minimum balance to start. So anything over $3,000 is fine, but $3,000 minimum, guys, is going to keep you safe, and it's going to keep you profiting just like this. 55.42% profits. These are real numbers. You guys can go to the myfxbook. I'm going to drop the link down below so you guys can see this actual myfxbook account. You can track it. You can see the live trades as we're in them. And again, if you guys would have been hooked up to ECFX Platinum, you would have been up 55.42% profits, doing nothing, guys. Doing absolutely nothing. Just you fund your account of whatever broker you want or choose, and you just simply connect it to ECFX Platinum Bot, and literally that's it. You just sit back and watch your account grow. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video now. Please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It's going to help me to continue making more videos for you guys. Follow my Telegram and my Discord. I will be posting more announcements in that channel. I'll leave those links down in the description below as well. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.